back with another recipe. Today we are making vegan jambalaya. Jambalaya is one of my favorite meals. When I ate meat and even when I was a pescatarian, it's something I really love. You got the chicken, you got the andouille sausage, you got the shrimp, and I really wanted to continue eating that just vegan. So I just cooked up this recipe and I hope you guys like it.
So for our ingredients, we have 4 cups of vegetable broth, 2 cups of parboiled rice, 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a little bit of vegan butter, a little bit of olive oil, 1 pound of vegan sausage diced. Again, this is optional, you don't have to use it. 1 green bell pepper diced, 1 onion diced, 2 stalks of celery diced, 1 tablespoon of liquid aminos, 1 tablespoon of creole seasoning, some green onion diced for garnish at the end, salt and pepper to taste, but I didn't even need it, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, some garlic diced, and some red pepper flakes. Alright, so first I just coated my pan with a little bit of olive oil. I heated that up and then I put in my plant-based sausage just to brown up a little bit. After they were browned, I scooped them out with a slotted spoon. So I kind of left that oil in the pan and I just put them back in the bowl and set them off to the side for the next couple steps. Now that sausage did make a lot of oil, so I kind of sopped up some of it with a napkin, but then I added some vegan butter because I really wanted that vegan butter taste. So after that melted, I put in the pepper, the onion, and I also added in the celery, and I just sauteed that for about 5 minutes until all the veggies became really soft. Then I added in the garlic and I sauteed that for about another minute. Then I added in the 2 cups of rice and I kind of stirred that around just so the oils and everything and the vegan butter could just coat the rice, and it just makes for a better cook on the rice in general. Next I added my diced tomatoes. I added my red pepper flakes, my Old Bay seasoning, my liquid aminos, my creole seasoning, my vegetable broth, and then lastly I added the vegan sausage. Again, this is optional, and then I gave it a good stir. After it came to a boil, I gave it another good stir, and then I lowered the heat to about low, about a 2 or 3, and just let it simmer. I put the top on it and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This is the final product. So this is after letting it cook on low for about 20 minutes. I did stir halfway in between at about the 10-minute mark. And don't be afraid, if it's still kind of wet, the liquid will evaporate. This is, again, the final product in a bowl. I garnished the top of it with the green onions. And isn't she beautiful?
Alright guys, so that is my recipe tutorial how-to video on vegan jambalaya. I like to pair my jambalaya with a really hearty green salad, and then I also like to do like a cornbread biscuit or any kind of bread component, because I mean, who doesn't love bread, right? I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the Millennial Vegan, and until next time, peace from the Millennial Vegan.